Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the plan mode in your Deepcode CLI. So if you wish to enable the plan mode, which actually grants you the ability to create a planning based scenario with your deep code so that you and the deep code CLI reaches a particular instance or a conclusion where the deep code actually lays out a plan which you eventually approve in order to reach out your goal. So let me show you how you can enable the plan mode in the Deepcode CLI. So for that, firstly launch your Windows PowerShell with administrator privileges. And once you do that, simply head on to your particular directory and type in deep code and hit the enter button. Now, once that is done, simply type in a forward slash and then type in plan. And from here, you can see this says that plan tasks through a strict non-mutating collaboration workflow before implementation. Use only when the user asks for plan mode, planning only, or non-mutating exploration. Then simply hit the enter button and you can see that you will see this plan option toggle right here at the top, and now your plan mode is all set. Simply define your goals to your deep code CLI and it will devise a plan which will eventually lead you to the success of your particular goal. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.